Hello, Driving Intelligence community. In this video, I'll feature a new product for my first-gen 2006 Cadillac CTS-V. But before I get into this topic, let's listen to that awesome LS2 engine come to life. Coverado asked me to review their dog seat hammock in my CTS-V. This hammock comes in either brown as shown in this video or gray. It's a cinch to install and protects the interior of your vehicle, but most importantly, your precious cargo, and in my case, Abe, my rescue pup. So let's get into this beautiful box that Coverado sent me. I've not opened it yet, so we're going to see together what's in the contents. All right, directions, beautiful brown, waterproof as they indicated. And let's take a look at these instructions. So, waterproof, scratch proof, stain proof, perfect protection, and provides a lot of different features that we'll look at once we get it in the vehicle. And it's pretty easy to clean. Damp cloth, water shower, vacuum cleaner, etc. All right, so let's get this thing opened up further and see how it looks. So it's nice, durable material. This does look pretty scratch resistant. Obviously, these are what you use to hang it. This is what you use to hang it on the headrest. So this is the underside, and these are pockets for seat belts to let the seat belt go through to hold it secure. All right, so let's see how this goes in. As I said, installation is super easy. After unfolding the hammock, simply place it on the back seat and snap the buckles around each headrest. To make sure the hammock does not slide forward on the seat, I used a bungee cord attached to the seat belt mounts. To secure the bungee that doesn't come with the kit, I'm going to pull up the seat, which is relatively easy on a CTS or CTS-V. You just pull up the seat. This gives me access to the belt where it's bolted to the frame or the body down below. Just a few more of the features. It unzips all the way across and down the center. Give passengers room on one side, or you can take this completely off so that you have your leg room. And it probably makes it a lot easier to clean. You got a nice pocket here. I put those extra straps in there. The mesh here that allows your pet to see forward and also get them some air conditioning. And then there's another mesh pocket on that side. So it's actually a very good looking unit. I like the way this looks. Now the big test. And that test is whether or not my rescue pup Abe is safe and comfortable, and you can see he is. If you want to get one of these, check out the link in my video description, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Driving Intelligence.